What is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Well, I'd like to formally introduce my wife to the vlogs on her 2023 Benelli, her Grom Killer. That's right, she's finally on a bike. So, she's had it for a little while now. As you can tell, she's still a noob because she's got her blinker on. But she's definitely progressed quite a bit in this journey. And you guys will see a lot of those videos coming out in the near future. But yeah, we just wanted to jump on here and introduce her and her new whip. Get closer so you guys can take a look at it. It's pretty sweet. Yeah. So yeah, guys, you'll be seeing her in the videos quite a bit now. We're a little duo. Gonna be riding, making videos, having fun, and taking you guys along for the journey. So yeah, we're just gonna cruise around right now, showcase her skill level, put her on blast, make her feel nervous, you know what I'm saying? But no, she's gotten pretty acquainted to it. It's a cool little bike. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and give her a warm welcome to this moto fam. But yeah, it's been pretty cool being able to ride with her. Not only to have someone to ride with, but to be able to ride with her. And you know, she picked up on it so fast. So she's pretty much gonna probably outgrow this bike really soon, which makes my wallet really sad, but we'll see. Ah! Yeah. Ooh, why does that feel all weird? I think it was just the line. Is it right here? Oh, okay. Oh, that's probably why my wrist is messed up. Yeah. Me. Look, no hands. True.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Tuck, baby, tuck. Huh? Oh, you're way back there. Should input that little, I forget what cartoon it's from, but that little spaceship, that little freaking neutral. I don't know, I'll have to look for the meme, but it's pretty funny. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Gotcha. Yeah, we don't want you crashing. It's a little bit nibbly. Well, I feel good, but it's nibbly. Look at that cornering like a boss. Wait for it. Wait for it.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Get it, baby, get it. Does it look weird when I tuck on this bike? No. You're supposed to say no. You're supposed to say I look fine as wine. Yeah. Sounds about right. Oh yeah. She had fun. I told her I'd take her for an actual ride soon. Lane split, lane split, lane split. It's a big old gap. Power, all you gotta do is go up front, that's it. You're already in front of them. Yeah, I guess I get it. Yup. Oh, you're the one like, oh my god. What? Trying to Starbucks and chill? Hell yeah.